Welcome to online enrollment registration for the West Linn-Wilsonville School District. In this video, we'll show you how to register a new online parent account. You can find this by clicking on Registration on the school district's homepage. Then select Launch to WLWV Online Registration. If you don't have an account, we can help you register. First, click on the I'm brand new to the district button, which you can find here. This will take you to a menu asking simple questions, including if this is the first time you have ever requested access to an online parent account in the district. Next, read through the privacy statement and then click on the Please Contact School Office button to move on to the next step. Here, fill out your name and email address that you would like for the account, and then click Continue to Step 3. That will send a link to your email address confirming your district account. That email message will look like this. Click on the link that says Click Here, and you will be taken back to the online registration with your account now fully accessible.